This will be an additional warm start and mixed drive video of our 1969 Chevy Chevelle SS modified 496 with 525 horsepower. We have a ride-along video in store for today, so that'll give you a little bit better idea of what it's like to drive this thing with two hands. Last time was a little bit choppy. I was informed by our owner that it still had the storage tire pressure there, which was about 45 psi. So we've got it down into the low 30s, so it should be a lot smoother of a ride. So without further ado, here we go. We're about 140 on the water temp. Everything else is nice. You see it's got a nice low idle. It's smooth. It's only had about 3 miles put on since our last video. So off we go. Some flat top, so we are going to turn around. See the fantastic turning radius. Really outstanding on this car. Really likes to be pushed all the way in. Hope you've enjoyed the video.